Hello dear friends, today I will tell you how you can easily get your driving license in Oman. First, let me tell you about the slope and how to apply the brakes and handbrakes so that your car doesn't roll back and you can clear the slope easily beside that. I will also share a trick with you that will help you pass the reverse drum test without touching the drum with your car. After the drum and slope, the road test comes.
Go, 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 go. Wait, wait. Only parking. Let's go, Mike. Go, go, speed, 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 speed. No, let's come, let's go, speed. There, yeah. Maro, Maro, very good. Very, very good. Go, go, speed, 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 speed. Shake it up. Speed fast, come.
I showed you an example of how you can reverse your car and where to turn the handle fully and where to straight it. Hope that helps. If you have any more question, feel free to ask.
Training in Oman, driving license.
Mock test, dirt and slop, road test.
Usman Bay Vlogs.
Right now in Oman, the training for a driving license start in the morning at 6 o'clock. The trainer will come to pick you up, which is a plus point for you. Getting a driving license is not that difficult, but those who don't practice may face problem, especially those who don't know how to drive a car. Let me explain how you do your training. First, you will receive drum training, where you will be given 1 hour of training to strengthen your hands so that you become fully trained. You can see how the car moves in reverse and front. Pay fully attention to your training and understand the instructions of the car. If you don't know Arabic, you can communicate with them in English. In this training, you should focus on the first drum of the first row and the second drum of the second row. It will be easier for to know when to turn the handle fully and when to keep it straight. When all 4 drums are visible from your left or right mirror, you should turn the handle straight. Pay attention to the second drum of the second row, where there should be a gap of 2 fingers when the drum is fully visible. The handle and then strengthen it when you can see the whole drum. You can then reverse the car comfortably. Complete drum training. After this, it's time for the slope. When you approach the slope, keep your car straight and apply the brakes before the line. Then pull the handbrake, but remember, when the car stops on the slope, do not change the gear, just move the car forward using the handbrake. In this way, you can easily clear the slope during training or the test. But remember, when you go to take the test, there is absolutely no need to worry, because the person conducting your test will not be sitting with you in the drum or slope. So take your test calmly, drive the car comfortably, and don't rush. Take your time and pay attention to everything.
Go, 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 go. Wait, go. Only parking. Let's go, Mike. Go, go, speed, 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 speed. No, let's come, let's go, speed. There, yeah. Maro, Maro, gari, خلاص. Go, go, speed, 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 speed. Shake glass. Speed fast. Come. تمسك زي كبير، تمسك زي كبير. خليك تشغل بابا، ما بنت ليت. Go, go, speed, speed. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come left, huh? Okay. Sweet, sweet. Now right. Sweet.
After the drum slope or signal test, the mock test becomes important, which is conducted by the police. Its timing is at 7 o'clock in the morning, and your instructor has already taken your token, which you use for training. The police officer take the test of each person in order based on their token number. But one thing to remember is that when you go to take the final test, you must have your card and permit with you. First, they will ask you about your card, and then they will tell you to get ready. Drive the car calmly, then there is no need to worry. Now I will show you some pictures and explain to you how you can pay attention and learn. I had shared a trick regarding clearing the drum. So this trick is that when you look at both sides of the drum, you should note the first drum of the first row and the second drum of the second row. When you reverse your car, you need to look at the second drum from the left or right mirror. When the drum is visible, you need to stop your car, then fully turn the handle and slowly move back. It's very smooth if you remember this. If you have any question about the driving license and test, you can comment or message me on Instagram. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. I hope you understand. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.